Hello friends, I am Rajendra Jatana on this side. I have come up with the mnemonics on limits. There is a mnemonic, its name is 33333. So look here, the 33333, 5 times 3, limit. This is the mnemonic which we are going to discuss today. This mnemonic is a silly mnemonic. You will laugh at it. Why the name is silly is there. I will be explaining you this at a later part of this. Now, actually, this silly mnemonic helps you. How it helps you? It helps you to remember two things about limits, two things about continuity, one thing about derivatives. Why the name silly is there, I am going to explain it on this. Now, this limit, it has 5 letters, and these 3 are 5 in number. It has 5 numbers or digits. Why it is silly? What I am doing, I am converting the word limit into limit. It is a silly mnemonic. That's why the name is silly. Now, why I have converted this T in terms of L, small l? Because there are 2 small l here. They are for limits. Then there are 2 i's in this. They are continuity. That ends with I, continuity. There is one m. M stands for slope, and slope is derivative. Now I'll be taking you to my next notes. I'm coming here. Now look here. Now I'm explaining why these 5 threes are there. Number 1, these 3. These are 3 parts of the definition of limit. Now look here, these are 3 parts. Limit x goes to a minus 1, a minus fx exists. That is left hand limit exists. Second part is limit x goes to a plus fx. It exists. That is right hand limit exists. Third part is limit x goes to a minus fx is equal to x goes to a plus exists. That is left hand limit is equal to right hand limit. Now let us go to next. There are 3 cases where a limit fails to exist. Number 1, at a vertical asymptote. Number 2, at a jump discontinuity. Number 3, with a limit at infinity of an oscillatory function. Now, next 3, they are 3 parts of the continuity. The first is fa is defined. The function at x is equal to a is defined. Then limit x goes to a fx exists. Limit exists. Then value of the function, that is fa, is equal to limit x goes to a fx. So limit and value, when they become equal, the function becomes continuous. Now types of discontinuity. Number 1, a removable discontinuity. Second is an infinite discontinuity. Number 3 is jump discontinuity. Next, 3 cases are where a derivative fails to exist at any point of discontinuity. There is no derivative. You can't find the derivative of a discontinuous curve. At a sharp point of the function, or cusp. Third is at a vertical tangent. At a vertical tangent. Now, all these three are over. However, now I am taking you to various forms of the limits. These are the forms which are determinant forms, and these are 7 forms which are indeterminate forms. We will be discussing them so that you are able to distinguish between them. Look here, b over 0 is equal to infinity. Whenever 0 is in the denominator, the number becomes infinite. That is not defined. 0 over b, when 0 is in the numerator and b is in the denominator, it becomes 0. 0 over something is 0. Infinity over 0 is infinity. 0 over infinity is 0. 0 into b is 0. Infinity into b is infinity. Infinity into infinity is infinity. 0 into 0 is 0. 0 plus b is b. 0 plus 0 is 0. B plus infinity is infinity. Infinity minus b is infinity. Now what we are seeing, observing the pattern. Whenever infinity is in the numerator, the result comes infinity. Whenever 0 is in the denominator, the answer comes infinity. However, whenever 0 is in the numerator, the answer is 0. Now, these 9 forms, they are very, very important. These 9 interdeterminate forms are very important. The first one is 0 by 0. Second is infinity by infinity. Third is 0 into infinity. Fourth is 1 raised to power infinity. Fifth is infinity raised to power 0. Sixth is 0 raised to power 0. 7 is infinity minus infinity. This is, first one is the major one. Most of the times you will find in the question the answer comes 0 by 0. In that case you have to apply the formula of limits. So this was all which I wanted to tell you today about the limits. So I am finishing this with the request that if you like this, please do subscribe it, and you must share it among your friends. Also, give your comments. Thank you very much. God bless you. Bye.